Well, I think we decided to throw our Kenmore microwave a retirement party. It is, yeah, that microwave is done for. So we're going to have a party with these so-called party lights.
With a new microwave.
Yeah, brand new, an Oster microwave. It's only 1,000 watts. Anyway, and this microwave also put in a unauthorized modification to it. We made it so we can shut the light out while we're microwaving it. We can control it, as you see. So we can get a little bit better police speaking. The disco ball right here.
Light. I think the disco ball.
Wow, this is some high quality lights, party lights here.
High quality shit right here.
Yeah. And what do you call this? Is this like a colored disco ball or something?
I don't know what the
I don't know what it is.
Ball.
Yeah. Okay. Wow, I don't know what to say.
They're just shit.
This is like the best one out of all of them. Police speaking. And of course that doesn't have a light, and this one's just
shitty.
Look, I mean, you can't really see any. It doesn't have any range to it. So, well, I mean, it doesn't.
That is really cool in there. You gotta shut that. Just shut it.
I mean,
it looks like a plasma ball in there.
I mean, it won't light up a closet, but it will light up the microwave. You just lit a lighter in my ear.
One in your hair.
2 minutes.
Why'd you do 2 minutes? It's a minute and a half.
There we go.
God.
Oh!
Hold on.
Oh!
There went a battery.
Yeah.
You might want to turn that off already.
Light on.
Oh, it's melting already.
Oh God.
I can smell the batteries. I think we're good on. Oh, nope. Is that battery smoking?
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
Oh.
Don't pop.
I know.
Pop.
It's like 3 double A's in there. Oh my God, that smells like a skunk. I mean it.
Well, we did kind of have a skunk out here the other day.
Oh God. Okay, we're fogging the shit up again. Whoa!
Turn it off. Turn it off. Just turn it off. Stop. Stop it!
I can't. I don't know what the button is.
Thing. Stop.
Just shut the power strip off.
How are we gonna get that out?
God, there went the battery.
Hey, it went out. Leave it. Leave it.
All right, up next. It's gonna do probably the same thing, but it's got a ball on top instead of a.
I hope you got
Light off.
Close the door. Lights off.
Yep. So.
God damn it.
Start.
Fuck back. Oh God, already went.
Light on. Oh.
Don't leave it off. Turn it off. That one is exciting.
I know. Isn't good as the police speaking.
There's a police speaking in aluminum in it. Plastic, chrome plated plastic.
Getting
Don't
way
open
back.
that door.
I know I'm getting way back.
Zoom out then. There you go. I'm waiting for a battery to go poof.
That's what happened.
I know it's on wait.
This one's just a fogger.
I think we're done with this one. I think fucking smells awful. Oh my God. This is awful, Sean. Very bad idea.
It smells cheap.
Very, very bad idea.
There it is.
There's one. Please turn that off.
How many minutes we got? 53 seconds.
No, we got a minute and 53, jackass. How is that even possible? Did you add more?
No. I just put what the time we had left.
How is
Oh, it's starting to rock.
it starting to melt the screen? You might want to pull it out.
I don't think it is.
You look, I can see it there.
I don't want to get close to it, to be honest.
Turn it off then.
There you go. There you go.
Oh my God! Shut that.
Party smoke.
That ain't party smoke. That ain't the party I want to be at.
All right, well, coming to the end of this celebration, we have the disco ball. Yay! Go wild.
Yeah.
Pop it, dude.
Get a couple more in there just for shits and,
Oh, I got kicked wrapped around.
shits and giggles. I'll watch that kid come over here.
Oh.
Hey, look at this.
Yay. There we go. No.
No, it's not okay.
Ah, it's so cheap.
Cheap,
You fix that. Turn that light up. Well, coming to the end of this microwave celebration.
Did you really do 2 minutes again?
Yep.
You're such a dick. I'm done with you. Look, there went a light bulb.
Yeah.
It's gonna air pop.
Oh, there went one.
There goes another one.
Oh, the light's on.
I know, it's just really... There goes another one. Why is it not popping?
Oh.
There goes the bulb. Let's get rid of pop.
Oh. What the hell?
What's going on? Get that fillet string off
Oh.
the top. You made a bad idea here.
Oh, look at the ball. I think all the glue melted on for the mirrors and they're falling off.
Yeah, that's what's happening. Sure.
Okay. Oh.
Here goes the battery. Yep, there went a battery.
Yeah, it just didn't pop.
I think you're good. We're a minute and we're like 20 seconds into it. And that's it. That's why I said a minute's enough. God, I can't breathe. Look up.
Oh.
Oh God. Why are the other ones didn't pop?
Oh.
I'm
Yeah, it is starting to melt the door.
Told you. I think we're good.
Yeah.
Gotta add a little to it. This is our fire extinguisher.
Yeah,
by the
fire
way.
extinguisher.
Party string.
Non-flammable, unfortunately.
It actually helps.
Suppression.
Oh my God! Let's take a whiff of that.
Oh my gosh.
Looks like somebody exploded guts.
This is how you clean a microwave.
Anybody? Anybody?
Yeah.
Anybody?
This microwave's partied out.
Yeah, kind of had a party.
Yeah.